Welcome to Bureau Wellbeing series. The machine is BF195. It's used for BMI calculation. How to set the machine? I'll explain you. The back side of the machine, there are batteries. Those needs to be checked to make the machine on. So presently it's set. Okay. Then there is a button to set the unit. It can be kg or pound. Okay. Now its machine is ready to use. The first you need to set it on by pressing one leg. See, the machine is on, the unit set is kg. Now you need to set the details. So as per this machine there are 10 users you can set, and for the 10 users you can take the BMI details. So for taking the BMI details, I'll show you. This is the catalog which refers that memory we can set 1 to 10, and age range is 10 to 99 years. Body size should be 100 to 220 centimeters. Body size means height of the person, and then you need to set sex, male or female, and degree of activity 1 to 5. Degree of activity is also provided in this catalog. The intensity of work that you perform during the day, it can be set. One is none. It will be coming as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. So we need to select appropriate category, how much intensity of work you are doing during the work. Okay. So to set the machine, we'll set it. Now it's on. To set, press the set button. Now user 1 is appearing. Set the user 1, then select the age of the person. Okay, age of the person is set. Press the set button. Now you have to select the height of the person. Select the height of the person as 160 centimeter. Set, press the set button. Then select male or female using the cursor buttons. Now male is selected. Now as I explained earlier, the activity range A1, A2, A3, A4, the intensity of activity, the set any activity, set it. Now the machine is, it will show you all the set values. Now machine is ready for use. The person will stand on the machine. Okay. So first it will read the weight of the person, then you need to wait for 10 seconds. It will start showing the values: body fat, body water, percentage, then it will be body mass, muscle mass, calories, and the BMI. It's a 22.3 and the weight is 57.1 kg. So all readings will appear around 3 to 4 times before it automatically switches off. So all this data is automatically calculated by this machine. It's a very useful machine, and the correlation of this data is available in the catalog that I will show you. So this is the evaluation of the result: body fat percent, body water, then muscle percent, and the BMI range. Okay. There is a precaution that we need to take. This machine should be only cleaned using the damp cloth. Water should not be used. Detergent or strong detergent should not be used, and the machine should be kept onto the flat surface before you take the reading. Hope this information is useful. Thank you.